Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys over at Magtame for sending me this item. And a couple items that I'm going to show you guys also. Like I said, the link's going to be down below. Take advantage of the Prime Big Deal Days going on now. And also the Prime Day deals. Black Friday, Cyber Monday's coming up, so stay ahead of the competition. Get some stocking stuffers in. Santa Claus will be here in no time. Right now, this is a Magtame phone grip and stand for MagSafe. Snap on and off. It's so easy, guys. If I could do it, you could do it. I think it works for all phones, so definitely read the description before you buy, as usual, you know. Now this is what it looks like. And there's the logo right there. We can drop you guys down. This, that. Really nice. Lift up. Don't mind my thumb. I had a little injury today. No big deal. Bam. Boom. All I gotta do is take your phone. They do include the magnetic halos. I don't have one on this phone because this is my burner backup phone. So see, it's already magnetic. But once you put on these halo rings, you'll be good to go. It'll be super strong too. I mean, for this, it's not too bad. For basic, if you don't want to add the rings. But I would suggest to use the rings if you use your phone a lot. See, right there, and then you could twist, pop, and we'll watch it this way. Watch your TikTok videos like that, or you could go watch your YouTube videos or your other apps like that. Like I said, for the ring, it has sticky stuff on the side, on the back. Just peel that off, slap it on, and watch. I mean, you ain't gonna do much because it's not fully sticked. There we go. Now that's on. Well, I guess that's gonna be permanent on now. Alright, well, you know what? Might as well. It was meant to be for this phone because this phone doesn't have a stand. But there you go. Just peel that off. You can see the sticky. And you can put this on your phone case or your phone. But if you're leasing your phone, I would put on a phone case. There we go. Now it's on. Shoot, my phone's gonna die. Gotta hurry up. But in case you're always in a hurry, your phone's gonna die. They do have these you could get right now. Magnetic StayCable, original design. Hyper fast charging, 480 Mbps. Magnetic design, fast charging, printed or patent cable technology. Ultra tough braid. Your cats will destroy it, or other animals that you have, or your children. So you can stick this anywhere in your home, your office, building, whatever, college dorm. So you won't lose your USB. You got 4 ports available to choose from. The white, the black, the length, and magnetic, tiny, compact. That indeed it is. Okay, let me see where I put the other shoot. Oh, here we go. Okay. This is what you get. These little guys. You just stick it to any furniture you have in your house. Right there's the back. See, just stick it in like that. Here's a bigger one. And just peel the sticker off in the back. Put it on the table. Oh, a little tipsy. But yeah, these cords are really nice. Super fast charging. I already got mine plugged in. This is what it looks like. There's a Braid. Really nice USB. Watch this. It's like seconds. Boom. Bada boom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Okay, and then now this part, see this? Magnet. Boom. Well, you can see it stick to it. And now all I gotta do is this slide. But you can stick this anywhere. Like your closet, bathroom. But mostly your computer area would be great, you know? I am trying to get this stuck. There we go. Okay, tough guy. You know what? I had enough with this. There we go. Oh boy. Okay. Right there. But yeah, this cord is super strong. You can see the braids. So definitely get a couple for yourself. Stocking stuffers full effect, like I said. It's that holiday season, guys. We got Halloween fast approaching. Maybe hand out these instead of treats, you know? But yeah, super strong. Really cool. Alright, Magtame. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. Be safe. Have a good weekend.